Morning students. Today I am discuss about Clausius-Clapeyron equation. Clausius-Clapeyron equation. It indicates the variation of melting point and boiling point with pressure. Clausius-Clapeyron ఈక్వేషన్ దేని గురించి చెప్తుందంటే మెల్టింగ్ పాయింట్ బాయిలింగ్ పాయింట్ ప్రెజర్తో పాటు ఏ విధంగా చేంజ్ అవుతాయో అన్న విషయాన్ని గురించి వివరిస్తుందన్నమాట. సో దీన్ని మనం ఫ్రమ్ మ్యాక్స్వెల్ సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ dou P by dou T at constant V equals to dou S by dou V at constant T, multiplying on both sides with T. So T into dou P by dou T at constant V equals to T into dou S by dou V at constant T. So T into dou S means dou Q by dou V at constant T. Since dou Q equals to T into ds, left side T into dou P by dou T at constant V. So dou P by dou T at constant V equals to 1 by T into dou Q by dou V at constant T. So dou P by dou T at constant V can be written as dP by dt equals to 1 by T into dQ by dV. Here dQ is the heat energy supplied at constant temperature. It is used for phase transition, that means latent heat. So therefore dQ equals to L. dV means different volume. So dV equals to V2 minus V1. V1 V2 means initial and final values of the substance. Therefore dP by dt equals to 1 by T to L by V2 minus V1. This is Clausius-Clapeyron equation.